everybody, Miss Amanda here, and welcome to Chapter 15 of Child Life Chapters, Winter Activities. I'm going to go inside to see my friend Miss Bernadette, but before I do, I need to put on my mask. Let's go!
Hi everybody, Miss Bernadette here. I think I hear Miss Amanda coming, so I better get ready and put on my mask. See you when she gets here.
Hi everybody, welcome to Circle Time. Let's get ready to sing hello.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Look who came to circle today, today. Look who came to circle today, Miss Bernadette did.
Hi Miss Bernadette.
Hi Miss Amanda. Hi everybody. Look who came to circle today, today. Look who came to circle today, Miss Amanda did. Hi Miss Amanda.
Hi Miss Bernadette. Hi everyone.
Look who came to circle today, today. Look who came to circle today, you did. Hi everybody.
As you can see, today, Miss Bernadette and I are in our winter clothes because it's really, really cold out.
Brr.
I thought it would be fun if Mr. Snowman and you all joined us in doing some of my favorite winter activities. What do you say? You'll join us? Great! So for our first winter activity today, we are going to do a winter science experiment called Snowman Milk Magic. For this experiment, we will need our clear plastic dish, our snowman, our milk, some blue food coloring, some dish soap, and lastly, some cotton swabs. The first step in the science experiment is to pour some milk into the dish. The milk is white, just like the snow. Next, we put the snowman in the center. Now, we take our blue food coloring and put dots all around the snowman. Next, we take our cotton swab and dip it in the soap which then we put in the middle of the blue dots to see what happens. Wow! Look at that! It's like magic. See what happens when we keep mixing in the milk, the soap, and the food coloring. Do you see how the blue is swirling all around? Just like a snowstorm with the snowman.
Hi everyone, and welcome to the SingAlong stage. Today, we are going to sing one of my favorite winter songs, 5 Little Snowmen. Will you help me count? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little snowmen. 5 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a big red bow. Out came the sun and it stayed all day. Then one little snowman melted away. So how many do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a big red bow. Out came the sun and it stayed all day. Then one little snowman melted away. How many snowmen are left now? 1, 2, 3. 3 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a big red bow. Out came the sun and it stayed all day. Then one little snowman melted away. Let's see how many snowmen we have left now. 1, 2. 2 little snowmen standing in a row, each with a hat and a big red bow. Out came the sun and it stayed all day. Then one little snowman melted away. How many snowmen are left? 1. 1 little snowman standing in a row. He had a hat and a big red bow. Out came the sun and it stayed all day. And all the other snowmen came back to play. Yay! Great job! Thank you so much for joining me on the sing-along stage. Now let's go find Miss Amanda. I think she has a winter story for us to read.
The last winter activity we're going to do today is to read my favorite winter story called The Snowball. Are you ready, Mr. Snowman? Let's start. Little polar bears, all covered in fluff, with scarves and mittens and little earmuffs. Go thump, thump, thumping through the snow to play. No school, cheers the bears. It's another snow day. Swooping down a snow slide, go bears go! Making bear angels in feathery snow. They sculpt a snow bear with a pipe and a hat. Look out for flying snowballs. Splat, splat, splat! Bears go flopping on the ice for a ride, balumping on their bellies going slippity slide. Next, skit scat skadoodle up an icicle hall to where the little bears gather for a snow day ball. Bears sing and bears dance, bears stomp on their feet. Soon all the bears are clumping out of a big bear beat. Bears bounce, bears bump, bears pounce, twirl, and jump, till they all flop down on their polar bear rumps. Tired little bears in a furry little heap. One by one, Papa Bears take them home to sleep. Beneath the northern lights, mamas tuck them in their beds, as dreams of endless snow days go galumping through their heads. Thank you so much for reading the story with us. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you so much for joining us in our winter activities today. We'll see you next time. Bye! If you like what you saw, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe below.